Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Learn Guitar. We have 24kGOLDN here with a song called Clarity. So this is a 3-chord song. It goes in the same way through the entire song. We'll have that scenario, and it's very easy with the strumming. So let's look at this song here with the capo set here on the 1st fret. With that, we have 3 easy chords: A minor, E minor, and D. So this is the A minor. You're gonna play open A, second on D, second on G, first on B, and open E. We have E minor next, so that is open A, E, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. So, A minor, E minor, and D. We're going to look at the strumming now. So, one round sounds like this. Okay, so that is down, up, clap, and up. And you make a short pause after that up there. So, down, up, clap, up. And then you're going to play up, clap. So, down, up, clap, up, clap. So, very easy. You're gonna play A minor 1, E minor 1, and D2. So, A minor 1, E minor 1, and D2. Again. I think the tempo is a bit faster than the tempo I just played in. Just a little bit faster, but that's it for 24kGOLDN's Clarity. Hope you enjoyed it, and till next time, play tuned.